Hi everyone, and welcome back. I'm Dr. Nancy Duncan from Duncan Hearing Healthcare. And today we're going to talk about a question I've been hearing more and more. That question being, should I or could I use Apple AirPods as hearing aids instead of the prescription devices my audiologist has recommended? So let's break this down clearly, simply, in a way that helps you make the right decision for you. Apple has recently added features like Conversation Boost, headphone accommodations, and Live Listen to their AirPods. These tools can amplify speech, reduce some background noise, and help people with mild hearing challenges. So naturally, people will ask, can AirPods replace my hearing aids? Well, let's talk about what they can do, what they can't do, and who might benefit from them. First, AirPods can help people with very mild hearing difficulty. Think of it like your eyes. You may not quite yet be ready for prescription glasses, but you might need a little assistance with the fine print. So you may go ahead and buy readers at the pharmacy to get you started. So if you're only struggling a little bit in noise or you want occasional volume support, AirPods may give you that small improvement that you're seeking. They also pair seamlessly with iPhones. Streaming calls, music, and audio is easy and high quality. Next, they're convenient. Let's face it, most of us probably have a set of AirPods lying around, and they don't require an appointment or a test to start using accessibility features. So yes, AirPods can offer basic support for the very mild listening challenges you might be experiencing. But here's what they can't do, and this is an important part to be aware of. They're not a medical device. They do not treat hearing loss, and they are not regulated by any agency like hearing aids are. AirPods do not provide a personalized prescription. A real hearing aid is programmed according to your unique hearing test and your unique hearing needs. AirPods simply turn the volume up and apply general processing rules to the incoming sound. They aren't designed for full-time listening either. Wearing AirPods all day can be uncomfortable to the listener. They block the ear more than many hearing aids do, and they're not ventilated for long-term wear. On the other hand, prescription hearing devices use open dome or molds with ventilation to lessen the risk of ear infections, especially in surgical ears or ears already prone to ear infection. Next, they don't protect speech clarity. Hearing aids use advanced microphones, directional systems, and noise reduction algorithms to help you hear conversation, not just louder sounds. And AirPods can't separate speech from noise in a meaningful, clinical way. Then they don't support all the different types of hearing loss that are out there. Conductive losses or mechanical issues with the ear can't be helped. Sensory neural hearing losses greater than a moderate level can't be helped. Or those steep high-frequency losses often due to noise exposure aren't helped either. And lastly, asymmetrical hearing losses, meaning one ear is better than the other, they require medical fitting, not just general amplification. They also don't support the long-term health of your ears. Your hearing loss can worsen over time if not treated properly. AirPods don't monitor your hearing health or hearing loss over time, and they don't deliver the precise levels of sound that your brain needs to stay stimulated. But who might they be okay for? Well, AirPods might be helpful if you have a very mild hearing difficulty, you're not quite ready to commit to hearing aids, you want something just for occasional help, or you only need support in certain environments. These cases can be appropriate, but it's important to understand their limitations. And next, who are they not good for? And I want to cover this one specifically. If you have diagnosed hearing loss that is moderate in severity or worse, you're not a great candidate. If you struggle in conversations and you avoid social situations because you can't hear, that might not work well either. Or if you've been told you need hearing aids by an audiologist, AirPods aren't going to give you the clarity, comfort, or medical accuracy that you need. Prescription hearing aids are not just louder, they're smarter, they're safer, and they're tailored to your specific needs of your ears and your brain. And here's the most important point. This is what I want you to take away. AirPods can be a temporary tool, but they're not a replacement for prescription hearing aids. If you're unsure what is right for you, the first step is very simple. Get a hearing evaluation by a certified hearing care professional. From there, we can go ahead and talk about your lifestyle, your listening needs, and whether you need a true medical treatment or just occasional support. So, should you consider AirPods instead of hearing aids? Well, if your hearing difficulty is extremely mild, perhaps. But for most patients, prescription hearing aids are the gold standard for clarity, comfort, and long-term hearing health. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might also be asking the same question. And if you're ready for a hearing consultation, We're here for you when you need us. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nancy Duncan from Duncan Hearing Healthcare. Thank you again.